Alright everybody, welcome to your last how to draw video of the school year. We had multiple requests since the beginning of this remote learning experience to draw a wolf. So here we are. We're wrapping everything up with a wolf. Very cute. I have a feeling you guys may have wanted it to be a little bit more on the ferocious side, but can't help it. I'm your art teacher and I love cute things. So wolves howling at the moon, little fluffy baby wolves howling at the moon. That's what we're going to be drawing today. So as always, for our how to draw videos, all you need is a sharpened pencil, an eraser, whether it's attached to your pencil or not, makes no difference to the drawing process. And then you, probably want to color it in. Totally not necessary though. You'll learn how to draw regardless. So markers, crayons, whatever you'd like to color in, highlighters, pens, anything you got. And Sharpie or a black pen or a black marker. I do suggest if you want to use a black pen or black marker and you do not have a Sharpie around, color it in first and then go over your lines with your black pen or your black marker, because the marker can tend to grab the color out of the black and smear it around, and that's the last thing you want to happen after you've done this amazing drawing. You don't want your colors to start to smear. That just makes you frustrated. So anyway, let's get to drawing, right guys? I'm going to turn the picture-in-picture off. We are going to focus on our drawing over here. This is what our drawing will look like. I will be drawing over here. So go ahead and follow along and make an amazing puppy wolf howling at the moon. Okay guys, we are going to start with our guidelines as always. So I'm going to actually get my sketchbook out of the way because you cannot see what is paper and what is sketchbook. Okay, so let's find the center of our paper. That's where our guideline is going to start. Remember, our guidelines will be erased. So you want to draw them nice and light so you don't have these lines that you erased, but you can still see them and you're fighting against them at the very end. The lights seem awfully bright. Maybe that's easier. Okay, and then that's the middle of my paper at the top. That's about the middle of my paper, this side of my paper at the bottom. It's easiest for me to flip that paper over, and we are going to find the middle of this edge of the paper, make a little line, and draw that down lightly. The guidelines are always just an about of where you think things are. Never worry too much about them. They're just there to help you get your shapes as big as you can to fill up that paper. Alright guys, I've got my guidelines in right here. Now our very first step of drawing this amazing wolf baby over here is to draw a circle right here. Find the cross of your guidelines right in the middle of your paper. This upper left-hand rectangle is where we're going to add that first square, or circle, excuse me, rectangle, square. Our first circle goes right up here. And the way you make things look like babies is usually you make their head a little bit bigger. When we're born, we have these massive heads, and our bodies kind of had a lot of catching up to do. So our human proportions as well as puppy wolf proportions are a little bit off. Our heads tend to be a little bit bigger. The body is a little bit smaller. So that will help it look more like a puppy. If you draw a nice big circle, if I put my fist over there, it basically is about as big as my fist. You guys have smaller fists than me, so maybe you want to draw them even bigger than your fist. Alright, now let's add a second circle And this is going to basically stand for like the entire body, but we want room for these feet at the bottom. So I'm going to go like 3 fingers off the bottom right there for me. I'm just going to make a little mark right there on my guideline. I'm going to line up the edge of my finger all the way at the bottom there and go about 3 fingers up and make that mark. And I'm going to try to keep my circle about as close to the edge of the paper as my first circle is. So I just like to give myself a little guideline there, and I'm going to draw a big little circle right here that hits both of those guidelines. Guidelines are there just to help you. That's the whole point. Now I've got 2 circles. Let's start adding more details. So now we're going to add on this cute little snoot at the very top of our doggy head. So that's actually just going to be a little bump right up here. Little bit more towards this edge of your circle than this edge of your circle. So further away from the guideline, closer to the edge of your paper. A little bump right up there. Now let's add on a little triangle for the ear. So right over here where that circle meets your guideline, you're going to come off and add a triangle, and this triangle is actually going to come right down here by the edge of the body, right where that body, close to, right where that body hits that guideline too. So just add a little triangle over there. That's going to be your ear. We're just getting in the rough shapes right now. No need to worry about everything being permanent. Now we're going to add in a little triangle that's going to be this little fluffs right here. And so we're going to go across from where that ear is, a little bit of a diagonal, and add in a triangle right there. Getting our shapes in, everybody. Getting in those shapes. That's good. All right. Now let's go down here. Let's add in our feet. So if we have our whole body up here, we are actually going to start by adding in a bit of a butt, because that is not our whole body. Our puppy, or a wolf puppy, is sitting on his butt over here. So I'm just going to add another circle right over here, sitting on the same bottom right here, but this circle is a little bit more, I guess, more of a oval eggish shape. But it's coming down and touching our guideline right here, sitting on the same plane, and just coming right off the back right there. And that's going to be giving us the space to add this little leg. So actually right underneath that, let's add our first paw circle. Underneath that circle, right there on that guideline, we've got a paw circle. Let's give ourselves a second paw circle. I'm going to make this one a little bit bigger, coming down a little bit further, just the teeniest bit. Right there. And let's give ourselves a last paw circle, and that's actually going to go up at a bit of an angle right here. And it's going to be just outside of this circle that we drew. Getting closer to the edge of our paper over there. About the same size as this circle. Alright, it's starting to take shape. How amazing. Now what we want to do is start giving ourselves some of this body. Let's connect this all up. So we're actually going to start over here, because this is the biggest difference. What hurts worse sticks first. So this is the most different. Let's start. So right over here, by where the chest comes out, a little bit to the furthest, we are going to create another triangle. Our triangle's right here. Right over here, we're going to add another triangle. to the start of one, and we're going to connect that shape down right here. So this triangle sticks out a little bit further than this one, and it's a little bit inside of where this foot is over here. So we're going to swoop, and then that's going to come basically straight down into that paw and swoop around this way. And then might as well give ourselves a bit of our chest. That's coming in right here. Give ourselves a little triangle. We'll go back and add all of those furry details later. We just want to make sure we get everything in place first. We're just going to start swooping that in, but let's go over here and get this leg in so we can finish up where that body goes. So that leg, we're going to go right next to where we started this, which was right on the outside edge of our original circle. We're going to come in a little bit, swoop around, just a little bit of a curve, and then right down, connecting into our paw. We want these lines to be about the same distance away from the edge of the other paw. Doesn't matter if they're the same distance as mine, but if they're the same as your drawing as the other paw, then that's going to make your drawing look better. We're going to swoop this paw around. We'll add all those grass details when we're all done with adding in all these details. And then we're going to curve this guy up right from the back edge of the paw over into the circle we drew over here. Curve him up and just like so. Up and towards the back of our pup right there. Now that we're already in this area over here, let's actually give ourselves a little hint of where our back is. We have this triangle over here. We want to give him his other little kind of scruffy floofs over there. So we're going to go in from the edge of where we added this triangle for our ear. Just a little bit right there, right next to where that circle hit your guideline and where your triangle started to come out. Right there, we're going to start. We're going to add our triangle shape right there, right on that guideline, right on the edge of your circle. And then we're going to add in our neck shape. So that starts to curve down here. And you could totally just follow these lines if you want to, but there's like a little bit of a bump right there where the shoulder blade of the dog is. And then you're going to curve this down just a little bit from that bump. And then right where you start to get to this circle over here, this back circle you added, you're going to start to curve around and follow that circle. Circles there because you want to follow it. Those are our guidelines and our guiding shapes. They help guide our final pencil lines. So let's swoop that around and give ourselves our paw. I'm going to make it a little bit fatter in the front and then a little bit curved down towards my original paw circle. And sure, right about there, we want to fit in the hint of where that back leg goes right behind this kind of elbowish circle over here. And that's going to come right there pretty close to our puppy wolf foot. And swoop that around right there. Alright. Flying through this, guys. You're doing an amazing job. I just know it. Alright. So let's go back to our tummy, finish that line there. Let's bring our leg up underneath the tummy and behind, and then let's add this last leg that is in between these legs here. I'm just going to add a little bit here and wherever that little hint of the top of that foot would be. Alright, before we get into any of those other details, let's add in our tail. So right here, right where the bottom of our original circle was, we extended a line out to help us guide where this circle was. We're going to extend that line out even more, and that is where our tail shape is going to come out of. Right there is our base, and right above here-ish, wherever you want, your puppy wolf tail can come out. And I'm going to bring that curving up over my guideline and over towards the edge of the paper. And I'm going to make this a little fatter towards the bottom, and then get a little skinnier as we get up towards that top. Same as everything else, we're going to add in all those little furry details when we are done adding in all of our other big details over here. Let's go up to our puppy face. So we've got this amazing little snoot over here that is coming down into this shape. So I am actually going to bring up my cheeky shape, and I'm going to extend that out a little bit off of where my original snoot shape is. This is some tinier details. Let me zoom in for you guys. So here's my original shape. I came up from here and just added a little bit to that, and then I'm going to bring that all the way around and keep that curve going all the way around and a little bit down inside of where our original circle was. And then I'm going to add another one right above it, sneaking right behind and attaching right there. Alright, now that we're in there, let's add a teeny little bump at the very top for where that nose is going to go, right over top of the apex of that last arch. We're going to just add a little oval and just these little nostril things right there. And one little line that's going up from that apex, connecting it in towards that nose. And then I'm going to follow around that original arch and bring it a little bit inside of that original circle that I drew. I'm going to bring that circle out at a bit of an angle and then bring it down. So it's a little bit more square shaped up there. And then right here, as if I were following this line that I brought in, I'm going to go and add my closed howling eye. Just basically like a flat line with a little bit down towards this. So if I were to connect these, they kind of connect right there, but they're not connected. They just are amazing, floating in space, making our drawing look amazing. Alright, I'm going to unzoom. We did those details. And now let's add on our scruffy little fluff details and our paw details. And this guy is almost done. So, I guess let's start with our ear, because we're starting up here by our eye. We're going to follow this down and just add some scruffs, just little triangles, help give the illusion that he is furry and fluffy. Alright, and then right over here, let's add 2 triangles right up there. Bring that down. And now we're up in the face. Let's finish that. Maybe come over here to this cheek. Make more like 3 triangles. There we go. And now that we're up here, I'm going to follow down where I think the middle of his jaw would be. Follow that down. And I'm going to try my best to follow that down that circle and then connect it down to this other circle. And as I'm doing that, I'm going to come back up here, right in between where this angle would be, where these triangles are that we drew. We are going to draw a line that comes down, and then just some broken lines at the bottom of that. And we're going to follow that down, right about the top of this circle, floating in between. We are going to follow that line and create some swell right there. Cool. I'm going to erase that line so you don't get confused. Alright. Well, sorry, I sketched it. Alright, and now let's go back over to here. We already have our triangle over there. This is popping out with some fuzz. Little triangles there for some fluff. And then leave the paws until we have everything all scruffy and fluffy. So let's go down here to this other triangle we added. Boom. Back up and down. Over here, we got another triangle we added. Let's go inward, nice and scruffy. And it looks like our glass one is going to be over here at the tail. So let's add a big scruff right over there. Follow that curve. And then down. And then some scruff at the very tip. And then some scruff down here. And connect that down. Awesome. Now let's focus on our paws. So we want to divide our paws into some little puppet toe beans. So let's just do 2 lines that are just going off the bottom of your paw a little bit up on each of your paws. A little more towards the front. Back here is the back part of your paw. These are more of the fingers. And then same thing back here. Shift down a little bit, and 1, 2. Alright, once we have that, you can start to kind of curve those back just a little bit, at least on those front 2 paws. It doesn't so much matter over there. And let's add on 3 lines to each paw. And those are our claws. Don't worry about this one. That's in shadow. You don't need any detail right there. Okay. Now what we can do is start to add some grass. It doesn't really matter where you want to add the grass. It doesn't really matter what it looks like. As long as it's breaking up a little bit of where your puppy is sitting. It will look like it's sitting in that grass. And then you want to give yourself a ground line where the dog is sitting. You always want that to be further in the distance, not down here, so make it actually look like it's sitting in something. And then you're just going to add some grass shapes, some big tall, things like in the wild. So you don't want it to look like a nice low lawn. You want it to look nice and bushy and wild. Alright, now let's go up here and add ourselves a moon. So how I draw my crescent moon, it's totally fine if you want your moon to be like a man on the moon, full moon sort of thing, just a big circle up there. But I always like crescent moons, so I would start with a circle and then I draw another circle inside of that circle, and then I erase this shape over here, and you have a crescent moon. Very cool, right? Alright, and now you can add in some of these kind of like ominous, kind of, ooh, what a mysterious night kind of clouds. So what I like to do is I just plan them out. I'm going to add a line. That's the bottom of my cloud. I'm going to add another one You don't want the clouds to really go behind your dog's head. At least I don't, because I don't think that looks the best compositionally, which composition is just the arrangement of shapes on your paper. But you can totally, if you want to, you can make the clouds disappear behind your puppy's head. But I just added on the bottom of my clouds, and then I like to add on the fluffies. So the thing with adding on your fluffies of clouds, I think it looks best if you have a combination of big fluffies and smaller fluffies. I just don't think it looks all that great if they're all the same size. And it's okay if your cloud goes right off the top of your paper. This is your world, your art. You get to decide what happens in this world. And then, it's a big fluffy, small fluffy, big fluffies. Cool. Alright guys, this is your drawing. What you would do from here is, I'm going to actually pop my eraser off because it's starting to get very low. Is just erase those guidelines, and then you can color everything in. Whatever colors you like. It could be a gray wolf, it could be a purple wolf, it could be a rainbow wolf, it could be whatever you want to see in your wolf's world. Once I get all of these things erased, I will show you guys just 2 last details, and we will be ready for those Sharpies. Let's erase inside. So sometimes I like to say, go ahead, Sharpie it in, you're good to go. You just erase everything when you're all done, because you usually want to erase even your pencil lines after you're done Sharpieing. But with this, I feel like there's so much smaller shapes, especially down here in the grass, that it's easy to kind of lose what's in front and what's behind, and you want to kind of just keep in mind, okay, I want the grass to be in front of the foot, so I am erasing the lines of the foot that are in the grass, and it's better to kind of erase that before you go to Sharpie, or else you might end up Sharpieing over the wrong thing and then get upset with yourself, because Sharpie is what? Permanent. Can't erase it once it's there. You just gotta start with your creative problem solving and turn it into something you did not expect. But that's some of the best artwork, is the unexpected challenges thrown towards you and you creating something different and beautiful. Alright, there are our lines all erased. The only thing we have left to do is add on some whiskers right up here. And dogs and wolves even have these little feelers right underneath their chin. So I'm going to make those darker for you guys to see. And then we just have these little lines right here in our paws. And voila, there's your wolf. How amazing. Hope you guys had fun. Hope you guys enjoyed making your adorable little wolf. I hope you guys have even more fun Sharpieing, coloring it in, with whatever tools you have available. You are spectacular. You are amazing. You are creative geniuses. And I'm really excited to see some pictures of wolves that you guys draw. Hope you guys have a great time. Bye.